Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AccuWeather? No, install ValuePenguin policy comparisons, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the ValuePenguin policy comparisons, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type ValuePenguin and press enter. Click on the official ValuePenguin website link in the search results. Once the website loads, look for the Insurance tab in the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on the Insurance tab to reveal the drop-down menu. Select the type of insurance you are interested in comparing, such as auto or home insurance. On the selected insurance page, locate the Compare Quotes button. Click on the Compare Quotes button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Type in your zip code and click the Get Quotes button. Next, fill in the required information about your insurance needs. This may include details about your vehicle, home, or personal information. After completing the form, click on the Continue button. You will be taken to a page displaying personalized policy comparisons. Review the different quotes and coverage options available. Select the policies that interest you to view more details. Once you find a suitable policy, follow the on-screen instructions to begin the purchase process. If you prefer, you can also contact the insurance providers directly for assistance. After completing your purchase, you will receive confirmation via email. That's it. You have successfully installed and used ValuePenguin for policy comparisons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.